Hi everybody, welcome back to the Bambas channel. Today we are reviewing the Freebird shaving kit. We got it from Amazon for like, I don't know, 60 something dollars or 70 something. No, we got it from Facebook. It popped up on my Facebook. I wasn't so sure. So we ended up getting it just to, just to see. And it came very fast. It came within a week. So you guys, this is the Freebird. My dad will be using it to shave for, to demonstrate, because we'll have to Google and Google and Google and search which one is the best one. But luckily we arrived at this one. He has actually used it before because I like to review the product when it's been used, so we can attest to it. So this is the charging dock. This is the charging dock where where does this go? Okay. So that is the charging dock where it goes. It came separate like this, and this is the actual kit. So you see it a little used, but I wanted to make sure it was working before I review it, since it wasn't a free product. Welcome to the family. So that is the guide, and this is what it looks like. It was this Christmas present. So now this is the actual machine. Turn it on, and then this goes here. That goes there, because we'll be using a different bathroom when it starts. You probably don't know. He does it better. Oh well. And then this looks like some kind of brush. I think we can actually, come closer. This looks like some kind of brush. These are the kits. And there is another charger. I guess if you don't want the docking point or the docking, that one, you can use this one directly if you didn't want to buy extra accessories. And then there is that one. So we'll see when he uses it, we'll see. And of course, those are the different blades and that. And then there's also this little one. This is what happens when a woman does a review for men's products. But we'll see. I want you guys to witness firsthand how it works. Oh, so you can also refill the blades and all that stuff. Fully charged before use. The adapter base, exfoliating brush is there. And then this also rotates. And then we have the precision clipper, the 3x clipper guard, the nose and ear trimmer. Okay, so that's what this is. That's the nose and ear trimmer, the USB cable, the scalp scrubber, which is that one. No, which I think is this one. I think. I don't know. One of them, when we start using it, you'll see how it looks like. I just want you to see what it actually looks like when being used. So that's it. Please hit the subscribe button and let's go shave some hair. So this is the hair. We're gonna go ahead and see how effective it is.
You want to clean the...
Okay, if you want to clean the blade.
Like...
Okay.
Thank you. Thank you.
Okay, no wonder.
All of them.
I saw the whole thing was flam. Okay, so this is for cleaning, guys. This is for cleaning. If you want to clean the inner part, this is how. This is what made it spread. If you want to clean it, that's how you open it.
Then the center one,
in the middle one, you just scroll. Okay.
Just remove it.
Okay.
This not.
Okay. No wonder they had. So that's why they had this small brush on it, guys.
So then it's slightly small. Then
And then snap them back. Okay, and then we continue.
why it will take a longer process because the hair is overgrown. It's not supposed to. So it will take me a longer time before I get
So you guys see how effective it is. It's already working instead of using razors and all that stuff to mess your head up, especially if your hair grows too fast. This is a solution, and this has been about 2 minutes already. Definitely not seconds for Freebird. That's what we got so far, so good.
So I'm not supposed to do it with
Slow and steady. So far, so good, guys. You guys make sure you like, comment, share, and ask whatever questions you have. And follow our page on the Bambas and Melodious Playtime. Also on YouTube, you can see we're in the middle of a YouTube video.
that's all about the haircut. it back to the charger. Finish. Just to package it, but allow her to touch it before packaging it.
And that is our honest review, guys. That's how his hair turned out. My dad looks so handsome. Alright, thank you everybody for watching. Please like, subscribe, ask your questions, and then please share the video. Thank you. Stay tuned for the next video. Bye-bye.